Guys, hello, good day. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and it's sunny outside. We're planning to have something else today, and so let's do the folding of all of this that I washed yesterday. Yesterday my wash day, and so this time it's folding time. Okay, come with me, and then we will be going out afterwards. After folding all of these clothes, we will be having a beautiful walk this Saturday, sunny Saturday morning. All right, so this is it. Enjoy watching. No, it's not really necessary to iron these clothes. They are just wash and wear everyday clothes. So there's no need for us to iron them, especially because I don't really like ironing. So it's enough for me just to wash and fold them. Wash and fold. See? Alright, this will take a little time, but anyway, just try to prepare yourselves because I will show you around and we will be enjoying the sunshine. Sunshine, Saturday sunshine. So I will bring you to our parish church. For a little cinematography, I decided to go up the footbridge just to show you a little beautiful scenery. Look at that. So there are a few vehicles passing by, and so let's go to the church now. Alright, so this is it. This is our beautiful, just a small parish church near our place, and this is called Our Lady of the Airways. And it's very quiet this Saturday, sunny Saturday morning. So let's try to visit the church, say a little prayer, and of course, I will show you around the place. Okay? So enjoy! Okay, as we enter the church, you will see an angel there, and that's the holy water font. So this is the interior of the parish church, and as you can see, it was newly renovated maybe 2 years ago. So you see how beautiful it is, and here on the windows we have the stained glass windows which will show you the stations of the cross. So in most churches, in most Catholic churches, you will see the stained glass windows which are also the stations of the cross. It's beautiful. And here outside, you will see that the church is nestled among big fire trees, and they are now in bloom. Beautiful, see? So it's really a green space here. And that's what I like in most churches, because there is space. Even we have some parking spaces outside, because of course when the churchgoers would come, they would need a place where they can park their cars. So, and most of all, it's really a green space with the vegetation, so many trees around. And that's beautiful. So here is the small plaza. They call that the small glorieta. And we have this small nipa hut, and it's so nice to just stay there, of course. So here, that's the name of the parish, Our Lady of the Airways, because it's very near the airways, of course. She's really beautiful among the trees here in front of the church. I could not help but remember all of those soldiers who perished in the DC-130 crash in Sulu. And of course, there were 47 who survived, thanks be to God. But we know also that there were 49 who died, and we pray for their eternal repose. So this marker actually gives thanks to all those who helped out in the construction and especially the renovation of the church lately. So anyways, we continue to pray for the eternal repose, and most especially we want to pray also for their families. So as you can see, as we look around here, this is a beautiful plaza, a small park, but it's really a green space, a green haven for those who are tired, especially with the things that are happening around us as COVID-19 is still going, and we know that it will take some time before we're done with it. So this is a beautiful nipa hut where we can reflect. But this moment today, I will not be staying here, of course. I will be running home because I know that I still have to do something for my family. So anyway, on my way home, I saw this delivery man who is actually sorting out his things. So let's walk home now, and it's just enough for me to have my exercise. So it's really good to have exercise, but of course with all our protective gear. While on my way home, I saw this beautiful vertical garden in the neighborhood. So it's really beautiful to have some greens and foliage, all this multicolored leaves of different plants. Of course, there are mayanas. Our favorite mayanas are there, and I love that so much with this morning walk. So hey, beautiful, beautiful. So we're just passing by. Okay, I'm just showing you around, okay, to have a different view, because most of the time during weekdays we're just talking in one corner. Okay, beautiful yellow bells. I love that so much. And when I arrived home, my hubby is already frying some fish, and he's done frying, and that's for lunch. So I usually do the breakfast, and I eat a breakfast together with my family, and it's his turn to cook for lunch. Okay, so that's a simple meal of fried fish, fried chicken, and yes, that's it. Very simple with the soup, and this is our vegetable, kangkong, some kangkong. Enjoy the rest of the day, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, and of course, click the like and share buttons. Thank you.